Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Are you visiting my channel for the first time? So please make sure that you subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more notifications. Have you ever wondered about how the astronomers are able to calculate the exact distance of particles in free space? Okay friends, going into the topic will not give us any knowledge. So before going into the video, let's make some predictions. I have an idea of using radio waves to measure, which travel with the speed of light. But it fails for the particles which are too far, because it takes 2 years for the radio waves to come back from a particle which is at 1 light year away from us. If you too have any idea for measuring the distances in free space, pause the video now itself and comment me below if you like thinking on it for some time. Okay friends, without getting late anymore, let's go into the topic. The method used to calculate the distance of stars in free space is the stellar parallax method. In this method, our scientists first observe a star in a particular time and records the first observations. Then they wait for 6 months of time to record the second observations of the same star from exactly opposite side of the sun taken before. This change in the position of the star between two observations, the scientists are able to calculate the accurate distance of the star from our solar system. For better understanding, imagine you are traveling in a car. When you see out from a window, the objects which are close to you will move faster than the objects which are far away. By this we can conclude that there is some relation between the change of the object's position and distance. If the change is more, the distance is less. And in the same way, if the change is less, the distance is more. Nothing but inversely proportional. Let's take a simple example where A and B are two distinct points of observation and C is the star. If we join these 3 points together, we will get a triangle by which our calculations become easy. In this triangle, AB bar is the base of the triangle and the angle theta is the change of the position of star when observed from two distinct points. By using this formula, we can calculate the accurate distance of the star from our solar system. Don't think that it's too easy to calculate the distance of stars by looking at the formula, because the units and measurements for the stellar parallax are different and more complex. It needs a lot of patience and focus to do. However, this method is used to calculate the distance of stars which lay behind thousands of light years only. It fails to calculate the distance of stars from other galaxies, which may lay a minimum of 2.5 light years away from us. For this type of measurements, scientists use another method called standard candles, which is related to the star's actual brightness and the brightness we can see from our Earth. The principle is that the star's brightness will decrease with the distance squared. The change in the brightness gives the distance. For better understanding, imagine that you are walking in a dark road and you noticed a street light far away. If you go close to it, the brightness will increase gradually. That's the principle behind standard candles method. The change between 2 points will give us the distance. I think you might have understood the two methods properly. Last but not least, I have got an experiment for you. Follow my steps to do the experiment and comment me below what happens for you in this experiment. Step number 1. Close one of your eyes. Don't open until the experiment completes. Step number 2. Place your 2 fingers in front of each other as shown in the figure. Step number 3. Slowly bring 2 hands close to each other and try to touch your fingertips as shown. If you are able to touch the fingers like this, don't forget to comment me below. If not, wait for my next video. The answer will be revealed in my next video. Until then, stay tuned to my channel by subscribing and clicking the bell icon. If you really enjoy the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay friends, let's meet in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.